Hello everyone, just wanted to give you a bit of an update about the recent video I posted where I was creating a wildlife friendly fence and a fence to keep this one and our two other wild dogs in the garden, or at least try to. But unfortunately we've had a bit of bad news and there's something I need to tell you. So in the last video I mentioned that we were going to adopt two more Belgian Malinois from Romania after having seen the awful conditions they were living in, Marcel and Angel. But since finding out that we were going to adopt them, we've also learned some more information that has meant we've had to make a difficult decision. Now, we already know that Marcel has suffered greatly in the past and he's quite an anxious dog. He doesn't have much confidence. He's quite a shy creature. And originally we thought he was living with Angel, hence bringing them both together. But unfortunately there was a bit of a mix-up with the tags, and it turns out that Marcel has actually been living with a dog called Faith, who is also a Belgian Malinois, and they have bonded very deeply. And having since spoken to the rescue team in Romania, it turns out that Frank and Faith rely heavily on each other for comfort and reassurance. And therefore we think it only best to bring Frank and Faith over to the UK together to make sure they have the best chance at recovery. So where does that leave Angel? Well, unfortunately it means she's still in Romania, and that doesn't sit well with us. We of course had originally said we would take Angel before we even knew about Faith, and we'd really love to give her a home because she's still waiting, she's still in a shelter, and she's still hopeful. So we're now working closely with Penny Paws Rescue, the charity based here in the UK that I've been working with, and we're trying to get Angel on the next bus over to the UK. But of course to do that it costs money, and that is to get her spayed, to get her passport, to get her vaccinated, and of course the long travel from Romania by van over to the UK. So if you are able to help at all, even £1 goes towards helping Angel start her new life here in the UK, and I would love to be able to share this journey and her life with you when she's here. So if you can help, I'll put a link in the description of this video below to a GoFundMe page I've set up to help Angel start her new life. So thank you so much for watching, thank you for caring, and thank you for being there and supporting us and coming along with us for this journey towards giving Angel her new home. I will of course be posting a new video as soon as Marcel and Faith arrive, which is hopefully in the next few days. And thank you so much for all the support. Hopefully this is something we can all hope towards after the recent tragic news of the destruction of my wildlife garden back in Essex. This is something positive, and it's giving some brilliant and wonderful creatures a new start in life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.